Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into the perks of an outstanding 3D printing service. Now, let's check out what comes after the print is done. With 3D printing, say goodbye to expensive molds and tooling. Our 3D printing service is a customization wonderland. You can customize every nook and cranny of your product, from its shape and size to the color and material. Our 3D printing technology unlocks a world of limitless creativity. This gives you a major edge in the market, helping you stand out from the competition. Our commitment to you doesn't stop when the product leaves our facility. We offer top-tier after-sales support. If you've got questions about using, maintaining, or modifying your 3D printed item, our knowledgeable customer service team is just a call or email away. We're here to offer technical advice, troubleshoot any issues. From design to delivery and beyond, we've got your back. If you have any 3D printing needs, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.